when the highest angle's cold and the cold takes leave. Drying the hazel and the willow one and all from the sweet refrains. The woodland, I believe, hushes its voice. I hear no sound at all, but I'm close to love. I won't deceive, for I am close to love. And I recall whoever else may leave, I'll still receive. All is frozen, I am cold, but I cannot feel. For new love makes my heart grow bold and makes my heart heal. I should not tremble, but I kneel, for love conceals me in his fold and makes me keep my worth, my zeal, my worth. He keeps my path, he holds. Life is good when joy holds sway, though some may deem their luck a sorry scheme. I don't know how to curse my day, nor find a bitter theme, for by my faith I have, it seems, the best of shares in love's array. So no complaint from me I deem, for I've been given more than I can say. Love's service I have no fault to find, and others' company I do not care. For I reject their ways unkind, I hold myself apart, I swear. Since of all peers there's none to compare. For my lady, she is one of a kind, no second could be found elsewhere. No equal if you seek and my heart to join a love unknown, lest she might steal away or turn her head and leave me on my own. So I will ever stay. I have no fear, come what may, that any from Pontremoli's throne has one more worthy to display or like to her. I swear alone. So noble is she who holds me dear, the one who keeps me joyful and so near. The 30 fairest I behold, she wins by her comely cheer. So it is right and it is clear my song should make her worth unfold, because she's noble without tear. Enriching merit worth its weight.